Hi, what's up? Today I'm going to share with you all how to save Photoshop file easily and export it as PNG, JPEG, PDF, GIF file, etc. So let's start it. So here I have my Photoshop file. I just want to save it. You can save it just by pressing Ctrl plus S. Just press Ctrl plus S. Then there will be a dialog box. You can select folder where you want to save it. You can rename it like I'm uh, giving it name PST. Okay, now you can select here it is PSD. It will be saved as PSD. If you want to save it as JPEG, you can also save it as JPEG. You can select it. You can also select PNG. Here it is. Okay, so it is the first method. You can also save it by pressing shortcuts. You need to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift S. I will also mention it. Okay, stop. Here it is. Now you can also select any of them from here. Select anyone. Like I am selecting now PNG. So, I don't need any transparency. That's why I don't need this one. You can just click now on save button and you can also save it now. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be helpful. I will also mention it the shortcuts in description. Thank you so much.